Hi everyone, in this video I will show you YouTube TV family sharing profiles, permissions, and parental controls. So first things first, YouTube TV family sharing with a YouTube TV base plan. You can share your subscription with up to 5 other family members, 6 total including you. Everyone gets their own profile, recommendations, and DVR library, no overlap. All users must live in the same household. So, how to set up family sharing? You can go to Google Family Group, click Get Started and follow prompts, invite family members via email. Once accepted, they'll have their own YouTube TV profile. Next is profiles and personalization. Each profile includes personal DVR library, customized recommendations based on viewing, watch history, and subscription separate from other family members. When it comes to permissions and limits, Family Manager, the account owner, creates the family group, handles building and subscription changes, manage invitations and removals, while family members can watch live TV, record shows, and customize profiles, cannot manage billing or cancel the subscription. Last, parental controls and child accounts. For kids under 13, you will need a supervised Google account via Family Link. Parental controls let you limit what your content or what content children can access, restrict mature programs, monitor watch history and screen time. Note, YouTube TV does not have as many built-in parental controls as Netflix or Disney. The best way to manage kids' usage is through family link and profile restrictions. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.